I was out doing some fishing yesterday evening, and I had to get jump started by some guys that were also out there fishing. So what have I got? About an alternator or a battery problem? So I've got a multimeter out, got my battery charger, and I've already cleaned the terminals off. So I pulled them off, cleaned them up, pulled it off, cleaned that one off, put everything back on. Car starts up. So right now we can check the voltage of the alternator. I want to see what happens. Okay, we're over there. We're good there. $14 or so. Good. Notice that the battery charger is not on. I just got the battery charger on the strap right there. Now we're going to want to check just the battery voltage. Not the easiest thing in the world to do when you don't have enough hands. I believe that that's attached. And the battery's reporting 13 volts, which is actually a little bit on the high side. Let's see what the, let's make sure that the clips are also getting voltage, not just the terminal itself. 13. Well, it seems as though the battery's got some voltage, although it's the wrong voltage. So, I believe I'm going to have to get another battery. Okay, the next phase in the process, you come online and you go in, do your purchase, 15% off, online only. I'm not going to go over there and buy it. I'm going to buy it online. I'm going to have them have it ready for me when I go and pick it up. So anyway, it saves me 15%. I'll get my core charge back when I do it. But here's what's really interesting. Okay, this is what I'm getting. It's a size 24F battery. That is the correct size battery. It's the silver. This is a 2-year warranty. Notice that it says that it doesn't fit the Suzuki Aerio SX Premium. It's like, yes, it does. Let's jump over to the gold. Die-hard gold. Same thing, 3-year replacement versus a 2-year replacement. Same size, 24F, doesn't fit. Then we go to the generic lookup. So I've done a lookup on my vehicle. 24F, exact fit. So it is an exact fit. It is the correct battery. And I'm going to save myself my 15%. Now check it out. I was digging through my Speed Perks and I found the Speed Perk coupons. I get an additional $10 off. Okay, not quite installed. I got to put the bracket across there, but it's proper size and whatnot. Let's see how it goes. Alright, well, we know it wasn't really starting earlier. Let's try it now and see what happens. Fires right up. Ah, you gotta love it when a plan comes together, right?